Good morning, children. Today is Wednesday. Please repeat after me. Today is Wednesday. Phonic song of letter M. Monkeys are munching. Please repeat after me. Monkeys are munching, mama. Monkeys are munching, mama. Monkeys are munching, mama. Ma is the sound of M. Once again, monkeys are munching. Monkeys are munching, mama. Monkeys are munching, mama. Monkeys are munching, mama. Ma is the sound of M. Please practice the phonic song from letter A to letter M. Next, take your rhymes and songs book number 6. Please open page number 10. Page number 10. Okay. The rhyme is, here we go round the mulberry bush. Please repeat after me. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush, so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth, so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face, so early in the morning. This is the way we get dressed up, get dressed up, get dressed up. This is the way we get dressed up, so early in the morning. You're familiar with this rhyme, okay? So please go through this rhyme once again and don't forget to circle the sight words. H-E-R-E, here. Please check for the sight words and circle. H-E-R-E, here. H-E-R-E, here. You have to check. Okay. Now next word is A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. The next word is G-O, go. G-O, go. G-O, go. Okay. Now next, check another word. The next word is T-H-E, the. The next word is T-H-E, the. 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 Okay. The next word is W-A-Y, way. 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 I-N, in. I-N, in. I-N, in. I-N, in. Okay, here you can change A-R-E to O-U-R, hour. Okay, hour. You please check. Okay, O-U-R, hour. Okay, you can see here O-U-R, hour. Yes, so this is how you have to circle here also. And next, turn to page 12. The rhyme is clean hands. Okay, wash, wash, wash your hands. Wash those germs away. Soap and water does the trick to keep them clean all day. So I will send the links of all the rhymes. Don't worry about that. The one thing you have to keep it in mind is you have to always go through the sight words. Okay, those, T-H-O-S-E, those. Please circle T-H-O-S-E, those. Next is A-W-A-Y, away. A-W-A-Y, away. D-O-E-S, does. D-O-E-S, does. Yes. Now please turn to page 14. Page number 14. Brush my teeth. Okay, this is the rhyme again, new rhyme. Brush my teeth. Brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Give them all a treat. Brush up and down and all around to keep them clean and neat. In the morning and at night, clean them twice a day. Brush up and down and all around, keep fillings well away. So please check the sight words. Yes, and circle them. You have to read and repeat and circle the sight words. Next, take your general awareness book, book number 4. Please open page number 14. Okay, open page number 14. Yes, being healthy. So what are all the things you should do to be healthy? Let's see today. Okay, what is a girl doing here? Brushing teeth. Very good. So you have to daily morning after getting up, you have to brush your teeth. Next, wash your hands after using the toilet. Okay, you go to washroom. So after coming out, you should make a point to wash your hands. Next, have a bath. Daily you should take bath. Then wear clean clothes. Next, have your breakfast. Okay. Then after that, after having breakfast, afternoon you will be taking your lunch. After lunch you take some rest, then you can go to play in the evening. Okay, evening time you have to go for playing. After coming from playing, you have to again wash your hands. After that you have to go for your dinner, have your dinner and then brush your teeth. Daily night also you should brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, morning you will brush your teeth and night also before sleeping you will brush your teeth. Then next, you will sleep in time. You require 8 to 9 hours of sleep to stay clean and healthy. So please go through this page, look at the pictures and understand how you can stay healthy. Next, take your literacy skills book, book number 1. Please revise again Alpha Talk. Okay, Please revise Alpha Talk. A arrow. Yes. B balloon. Seek her candle. So this is how from A to Z. This page also Alpha Talk. You need to revise. So these all pages again you have to do revision. A apple. A ant. B bus. B ball. Okay, again from A to Z here also. Yes, till Z. Please revise this. Okay. Then next, take your 4 rule notebook. You are having this rough book. Yes, you are having this notebook, no? In this, please write again alphabet. Okay, capital letters A, B. Okay, you have to write from A to Z. From A to Z, capital letters, and again you should also write small letters from A to Z in your notebook. Next, take your second book of phonics, book number 2. Please practice reading of vowel A sound words and vowel E sound words. Please go through all the words with pictures, okay, and you have to read with phonic sounds only. Keep practicing the phonic sounds. Next, take your numeracy skills book, book number 3. Please open page number 17. Page number 17. Today's concept is big and small. Okay, circle the bigger vegetables. You have to circle the bigger vegetables. So this is small and this one big. Okay, you please circle big. Yes. Now here brinjal, which one is big? Yes, this one. Okay, big, and this is small. And here this is small and this is big. So circle the bigger vegetables. Now here onion. Yes, this is big one. Circle, and small. Okay, don't circle. Now coming here, pumpkin. Yes, this is big. Very good. Circle the big one. Okay, and this is small. So please practice big, small. Repeat. Big, small. Big, small. Very good. Okay, bye for today.